So the problem is limit extends to x minus 2 by x square minus 5x plus 6. We compare that limit extends to a f of x, a is equal to 2, f of x equal to x minus 2 by x square minus 5x plus 6. We substitute that x is equal to a, that is nothing but 2 in f of x. So we get that f of 2, that form is 0 by 0. So 0 by 0 is nothing but indeterminate form. For this method, for this problem, we have to apply the factorization. Factorization for denominator. There is no factorization for numerator. Here there is a factorization for denominator. So then we get that x square minus 5x plus 6 can be written as ax square plus bx plus c. So the shortcut method is we multiplied by a into c. That is nothing but a value coefficient of x square, that is x square equal to 1 here. That is 1 into 6, that becomes to 6. We need to find the factors for 6. One is 6 1 jar 6, another one is 2 3 jar 6. So that is, we say that the factors are k1 and k2. Say, so what is the condition? The condition is if we do the addition k1 plus k2, we get the b value, and if we multiply it by k1 and into k2, that is we get that ac, such that we have to select that k1 and k2. And next one is, in the same way we have to select that the x square minus 5x plus 6 can be written as x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 by 6. So if we are solving, we get that x minus 2 into x minus 3. Then we get that x minus 2 by x minus 2. X minus 2, x minus 2 cancel, and we get that limit x tends to 1 by x minus 3. So just we substitute that x is equal to 2 in that one, we get that 1 by 2 minus 3. So 1 by 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Okay. And the next problem is limit x tends to 1. x square plus 5x minus 6 by x square plus x minus 2. So we do that, compare limit x tends to a f of x. So therefore a equal to 1 and f of x equal to x square plus 5x minus 6 by x square plus x minus 2. So therefore just we substitute that x is equal to a. We substitute that, substitute x is equal to a, that is nothing but 1 in f of x. So therefore f of y, that is nothing but f of 1. So what we get, that 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 6 by 1 square plus 1 minus 2. This is square. So therefore we get that 1 plus 5 minus 6 by 1 plus 1 minus 2, and it is the form. What is the form? The form is 0 by 0. So 0 by 0 it is a indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So for this problem, this problem is for factorization. Apply factorization. Apply factorization for numerator and denominator. numerator and denominator. So first, for numerator, that is x square plus 5x minus 6. So here we compare how we are compare that ax square plus bx plus c. So that is we do that a into c. We have to select the k1 and k2 are the two factors such that k1 plus k2 that becomes to b and k1 into k2 that becomes to ac. So therefore here we have to select that x square plus 5x minus 6 x square plus 5x minus 6. This can be written as a into c, that is nothing but 1 into minus 6, that is equal to minus 6. What are the factors for minus 6? So one is 1 into 6, another one is 2 into 3. Here what is the condition? If we do the addition, we get plus 5, and if we do the multiplication, we get minus 6. But here we have one plus, another one is a minus. In this one, this is a plus. For which one is a bigger, that is a plus, and it is a minus. Minus 1 plus 6, nothing but a plus 5. Minus 1 into plus 6 is nothing but a minus 6. So we have to select this one, and this is not suited. So therefore, what is the condition? The condition is x square plus 5x minus 6 can be written as x square minus x plus 6x minus 6. We have to take a common element here. What is the common here? X element, x minus 1 plus 6 into x minus 1. So therefore, what is the common element? Common here, x minus 1 into x plus 6. So therefore, x square plus 5x minus 6 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 6. And similarly, and next one for denominator, what is the denominator? X square plus x minus 2, then it is nothing but a into c, that is nothing but a 1 into minus 2, that becomes 2 minus 2. What are the factors for 1? This 2 is a prime number, just we have 1 into 2, and this is a plus and this is a minus. So therefore x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. The x can be written as 2x minus x. So therefore it is nothing but taken as x as a common here, x into x plus 2, minus 1 as a common here, we get that x plus 2. Finally we get that x plus 2 into x minus 1. So this is nothing but x square plus x minus 2. So therefore limit x tends to 1, x square plus 5x minus 6 by x square plus x minus 2. So this can be written as limit x tends to 1. X square plus 5x minus 6 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 6 by, and this is nothing but x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this is a cancelled, and we get that limit x tends to 1, x plus 6 by x plus 2. Substitute x is equal to 1, we get that is 1 plus 6 by 1 plus 2, that is equal to 7 by 3. So here how we solve this problem? Just we recall that how it will be solved. It is both numerator and denominator are converted into the factors. That's what is the basic. If I am substituting that x is equal to 1, The form is 0 by 0. The 0 by 0 is called that indeterminate form. For that, we have to apply the factorization for both numerator and denominator. For numerator, the x square plus 5x minus 6 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 6. For denominator, x square plus x minus 2 can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 1. And both x minus 1 is cancelled. We get that x plus 6 by x plus 2. So we substitute that x is equal to 1. If I am substituting that x is equal to 1, we get that 1 plus 6 by 1 plus 2, that is nothing but 7 by 3. Next problem is rationalization. Here limit x tends to 0, x by 1 minus root of 1 minus x, this form. If we have in a denominator or numerator like this form, a plus b root x or anything, the form, then we do the rationalization method. We apply the method for rationalization. So the conjugate of 1 minus root of 1 minus x. So this is nothing but, if we have a minus, just we written as a plus. So therefore, multiply and divided by the conjugate, multiply and divided by 1 plus root of 1 minus x. So therefore, we have written as x tends to 0, x by 1 minus root of 1 minus x into 1 plus root of 1 minus x by 1 plus root of 1 minus x. So this is nothing but limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus root of 1 minus x by, so this form is a plus b into a minus b, nothing but a square minus b square. What is the form? A square minus b square, that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, the original form. So therefore, limit x tends to 0, x into root of 1 minus x by, this form is 1 by 1 minus x. So therefore, we get that limit x tends to 0, x plus root of 1 minus x by 1 minus 1 plus x. So therefore, it is nothing but limit x tends to 0, x into 1 plus root of 1 minus x by x. Both these two terms are cancelled and this terms is also cancelled. What we get that? Finally we get that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus root of 1 minus x. Substitute x is equal to 0. So we get that 1 plus root of 1 minus 0. So that is nothing but a 1 plus root 1. The root 1 is nothing but 1. Finally we get that 1 plus 1 nothing but 2. So therefore, what is the rationalization? When do you apply that rationalization? For that rationalization, we have to do that. So limit x tends to this one, that is limit x tends to 0, x by 1 minus root of 1 minus x, like this form. Either it is in the numerator or denominator form, we apply that rationalization. In that rationalization, we have to take the conjugate. The conjugate is nothing but, if we have a minus, then we put a plus. If we have a plus, then we put minus. And multiply and divided by the conjugate value. and here we are using the method formula a square minus b square, that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, and we simplify, then we get the limit x tends to 0, 1 plus root of 1 minus x, just we substitute that x is equal to 0, then we get that 1 plus 1 get 2.